Hello, good day, and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Physics Past Question 22. Which of the following is true? The reading of the pressure of a mercury diameter, that is talking about a mercury in glass thermometer, is independent of A. the cross-sectional area of the tube, B. the atmospheric pressure of the tube, C. the density of the mercury, D. the temperature of mercury, and E. the acceleration due to gravity. Now, the pressure measured by a mercury in glass thermometer 1. Depends on the density of mercury. Now this can be derived from the formula that says P is equals to H rho G. Now this rho here represents the density of mercury. Now it also depends on what? It depends on the acceleration due to gravity. And it can also be affected by the temperature of mercury. Remember, we're using to measure temperature, so the mercury of temperature will also affect what? The pressure of the mercury. So temperature of mercury, then it is also affected by what? By the cross-sectional area of the tube. Cross-sectional area of tube. Now, it is not affected by the atmospheric pressure. The pressure of mercury diameter is not affected by by the atmospheric pressure of the tube, making option B the answer to this question, because it is independent. It simply means that it is not affected by this. So option B, the atmospheric pressure of the tube, is the correct answer to the question. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.